Need to switch the separator in your CSV file? Whether it's commas, semicolons, tabs, or pipes, this tool has you covered. World's simplest CSV tool, quickly change column delimiters in CSV files with just a few clicks. Open your web browser and visit www.onlinetools.com/CSV to access this tool. CSV files store tabular data using a specific separator between columns, most commonly a comma. However, some programs require different separators like semicolons for SSV files, tabs for TSV files, pipes for PSV files, or custom symbols any character of your choice. This tool lets you change the column delimiter in seconds. Simply upload your CSV file, choose the current delimiter, default as a comma, set a new delimiter for the output file, customize quote characters and filtering options, and download the updated CSV file. Example 1. Change the CSV delimiter to a semicolon. We have a CSV file listing countries, populations, and densities, separated by commas. We set the new delimiter to a semicolon, turning it into an SSV file. Example 2. Restore a CSV file to standard format. A data scientist receives a pipe-separated values (PSV) file. She converts it back to a standard CSV format using commas and wraps fields and single quotes while removing empty lines and comment lines. Example 3. Plants vs. Zombies CSV transformation. We have a CSV file listing zombies from Plants vs. Zombies with names, levels, health, and damage. We changed the delimiter from commas to slashes, making the file easier to read in certain programs. Want to generate integer pairs? Watch our tutorial on Generate Integer Pairs. Need to increment numbers in text? Check out Increment Integer Digits. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tool tutorials.